Straight up, let's get your COVID updates from the city of Mumbai. And a worrying trend in the city saw 7th straight day of COVID cases rise. In fact, with the 922 cases reported in the last 24 hours. This marks the highest single-day COVID case spike in nearly 7 months for Mumbai. The cases have gone up from 204 to 922 in just a week. In fact, 4 COVID deaths have been reported in Mumbai over the past 4 days. The city had reported 204 daily COVID cases on 21st of December. Earlier, State Health Minister Rajesh Tope said that lockdown will be imposed again in the state if the demand for medical oxygen rises up to 800 metric tons per day.
My colleague Shweta now joins us live on the broadcast. Shweta, these are worrying trends and fresh curbs have been imposed in the city. What more can you tell us about the fresh curbs that have been imposed?
Well, absolutely. Talking about the financial capital, we have seen that sharp COVID spike is witnessed in the city, and also it has been recorded 922 cases in the past 24 hours. That's indeed a worrisome situation. The situation can be more grim if the COVID-appropriate behavior is not being followed by the people out here. Although there are fresh curbs and restrictions being imposed, there is night curfew which is already in place, but yes, people are brazenly violating COVID-appropriate norms. Now we are at Mankhurd, and in the visuals you will understand there are massive crowd behind me. It's a railway station. People are out for their work, but also we hardly find anyone with appropriately wearing mask, and then you see social distancing has gone for a toss. The man right in front of the camera is without mask, and this is the scenario what we find all over Mumbai, despite we are in COVID pandemic since 2 years, and it has been over and again appealed by the state authorities, by the civic body, that yes, you have to follow COVID appropriate behavior. This is high time, but what we find out is really that people are failing to stick to COVID appropriate behavior. Adding more to this information, there's also that the positivity rate in the city is increasing. That's again something can cause a worry in coming days ahead. Also, the doubling rate has decreased. The trend which we are seeing in the COVID graph is like a COVID outbreak what we have seen few months earlier. In fact, talking about Mumbai, we have recorded 922 cases. That's the largest in past 7 months. It was just a week before where Mumbai used to record around 200 to 300 cases per day, but now it has jumped to 950 cases. That's really a worrisome situation at this point of time.
Well, thank you so much, Shweta and Gauri. These are really worrying trends. In fact, you must have noticed a change while on your way to work. Are people really abiding by that COVID-appropriate behavior that all of us have been talking about?
Not really, Griha. In fact, this is the situation which is most concerning, because most of the metros are right now seeing brazen COVID violations, and situation is not very different in the national capital, of course. In the wake of rising COVID cases, Delhi government has decided to impose fresh COVID curbs, and that includes night curfew that is going to kick in from tonight. The curfew will start from 11 p.m. and continue till 5 a.m. This comes as Delhi reported 290 new COVID cases on Sunday, the highest in last 6 months. States like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Karnataka have also reimposed night curfew amid rising COVID cases.
My colleague Ayushman now joins us live on the broadcast. Ayushman, we were just taking stock of the situation in Mumbai and Delhi as well. We are seeing that the positivity rate is really increasing. And if it goes beyond 5%, we might just be seeing that yellow alert kick in the capital.
Yes, in the national capital, the color code graded response is already there in place. And because the national capital has reported the positivity rate of more than 0.5, so the night curfew automatically kicks in. And this is a 6 months record that has been broken in the national capital in terms of COVID cases. But at the same time, if you look at the Omicron cases, Delhi somewhere leads the chart in number of active cases, but there's also in number of total number of infection, the national capital ranks below Maharashtra. Delhi government has postponed the event it was planning on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Due to the rising COVID cases, this step has been taken, but you can expect larger, stricter norms to kick in coming days if the positivity rate does not go down in future.